traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1325th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni, and that, of course, would be me. Good evening, traders. This video tonight is coming to you on a Tuesday night for Trading Wednesday. That is June 3rd, 2015. We've got a lot of topics on the board, so let's just let you know that futures trading is extremely risky, absolutely causes substantial financial loss, is not suitable for all traders. Certainly this is my technical opinion, but luckily that is all I give is the technical opinion without ever using what I think should, might, or could happen, because that's what amateurs do. We pull it off the charts the way it lines up, and we tell it to you at livewithoscar.com, and that's what we will continue to do. That's what I want to do for you tonight, traders. We are sellers of rallies at the onset of trading in S&P, NASDAQ, and gold. But I am telling you now, I don't have an arrow on the board because I'm not going to be held to any one direction. In the last few days or few weeks, we get very few days that just go either up or down. They tend to do this all day long. I stick a red arrow here and I say we're going down. The OMNI may get short, it may go down, we may end up long and riding it to the upside, but I've got this dumb arrow sitting here for 24 hours till another video comes out. Misleading you, not knowing for sure what we're doing, so a better way to do this is like this. We are going to start off as a seller of rallies at livewithoscar.com in the chat room. If you'd like to see exactly where we're going to sell those rallies and how we're going to get out of them, come to livewithoscar.com, be in the chat room. We will start off as a seller of rallies, but we could end up being buyers. Here's why. We're starting off undoubtedly selling this, but if we dip deep enough, you may have a double-sided OMNI for trading on Wednesday. So we start selling, as you know. But we will be buyers if we dip deep enough. Number one, possible double-sided OMNI for Wednesday. Number two, gold still mired in the head and shoulders formation. We've been doing fantastically well in gold. I will show you that. Number three, transportation average has a question. It begs a question. Are we constructing a V bottom right now as we speak on the daily? Or is it a bear flag auguring for more downside? Very interesting. We'll look at some charts. Then, this is a fantastic thing I would like to tell you. The top is in bonds. I believe the top is finally in bonds. For months now, I've been watching and kind of backing off on wanting to make the call. I think I've got a case, the same case I've made making top calls in many other markets. I will show it to you in a very simple form. Of course, I am much more complicated than what you're about to see in the bond call, but I'll show you a simplification of one of the reasons why we think bonds are finally topped out. Traders, I've got some great stuff at livewithoscar.com. Two things I'd like to mention to you very quickly. One, most important, thank you to my friends in Chicago, my fantastic clearing firm in Chicago. They have given me a fantastic rate to offer you. I now offer you discount brokerage. I mean, it is cheap as anywhere on the street. You want to open up your account with me personally, we will watch your trades 24 hours a day. There is always somebody here. We are watching for you. If you call us at 4 in the morning, guess what? Unlike many other places you can call, we will know who you are. We will know why you're in your position. We will know how to get you out if, in fact, you are in trouble at 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, 7 in the morning, 3 in the afternoon. If that sounds like you would like that sort of service, I am talking full brokerage for discount rates as cheap as anybody else there on the street. Once again, thank you, Chicago. Thank you, Dorman. Thank you for this whole deal. I can now be at the helm and watch all of you Omniacs entering these trades, getting in, getting out, and I can be there if you need help. If you would like to open up your account with me, simply come on down to livewithoscar.com, meet me in the chat room, or call me, 702-629-4755. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Last but not least, September Omni Camp, only 3 seats left, maybe 4, maybe 3, one's in question. So, for now, only 3 seats left for September's Omni Camp. OmniCamp is a 4-day session here held in Las Vegas, which I teach you how to derive Oscar's market navigational indicator, the Omni, for yourselves. If you would like to take this into your own hands, if you would like to take your trading account into your own hands, if you would like to take your financial future into your own hands and make these calls for yourselves, come on down to livewithoscar.com, fill out your OmniCamp application, and I will see if you can qualify for one of the 3 remaining seats. Now, so the advertising done? Am I finished? Ain't got any books you want me to, anything like that? Is there a pot that you have you want me to try to sell for you? Knives, anything? We're good. All right. Traders, with no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Traders, as I have mentioned, we are going to start off this day by selling rallies, starting off June 3rd by selling rallies. However, if it dips deep enough, I think we can buy it down here. Why? Look at all the other times. 13 holds and counting. I will not stop calling this chart until it stops producing. I'm sorry. I don't care what the naysayers say. They are as blind as the day is long to what I can realize every time I look at a chart. If they want to just scream their opinion, let them. Until this stops producing, we will not stop calling it. We're starting off by selling rallies. We will buy into a dip if it goes down deep enough. Then you've got the Dow Jones Transportation Average, traders. What is it? Is it a bear flag right here? We are below the Omni average. Absolutely. We put in some kind of a real topping pattern from October 14 to June 15. Certainly we put in a flat, then dumped under the flat. So is this the top? And is this a flag that's going to continue down? Or look to your left and let's take another view at this chart. It's either this or this. Which of the two are we getting right now? Are we getting another V bottom here, or was it the flag I just showed you? In fact, let's put them side by side. One's the flag and the other is the V bottom. That's the question. We will find out. The market will tell us over the next few days, but certainly I like to think that we're V-bottoming here. Let's find out. Let the charts tell us. Next on the board, we are looking at August gold, and this is a very familiar chart, isn't it, kids? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, failure at one of my major averages. Then, another thing, right? So you got a failure at an average and shoulder, head, shoulder. Usually a head and shoulders formation is some form of a topping formation. Then you run out of the head and shoulders and pull what I call a head test and fail right there. Failed head test. Another reason why I think gold would go lower. Then it comes down, it puts in this bear flag and dumps to the new bear flag that I'm showing you in red right now. We're going to overlay it in black. This bear flag right here. So now you've got a bear flag in gold below the average, head and shoulders, failed head test. That augurs for lower levels undoubtedly. And then finally, here's the chart of all charts on the X. T-Bonds daily bond chart. Look at this bad boy topping out. I circled it for you, my big topping tool. You hit, you hit, you hit. Not only did you hit here, but you hit at a major, major Omni average. And look at this big bear flag. I mean, woohoo. We got something going on here, kids. That looks like the top in bonds may absolutely be in. I can't guarantee it, but this is one of the many things that I have used to call tops before. And we have looked at many other things here about the bonds that tell us this is probably a flag, this is probably a top, and it appears the top is finally in. Traders, pull your own charts, do your own analysis. Never take anyone's word without doing your own homework first. So, traders, you've seen the chart. You've got my technical argument for why we're certainly starting out selling the rallies, but you never know. We could end up being buyers as the market moves lower if that's in fact what happens. Remember, this is a big booming bull market, so don't fall in love with the downside. Traders, open up your trading accounts. Discount brokers right here with Live with Oscar. Don't forget, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to help yourselves with that is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.